exhaust on this wonderful motorbike. It is a Bandit, Suzuki Bandit
1250.
1250. Let's
So,
get on with it.
let's hear the exhaust
Yeah.
as it is now.
We're changing the exhaust.
Okay.
Are you ready for
I'm ready.
the exhaust?
Ready, honey. Okay.
Because I can't do that part. So turn it on. Put the thing in.
Okay.
And then... Why isn't it working? Oh.
Okay. Okay, so that sounds alright with the normal exhaust on.
Yes, it vibrated my feet.
It did. We got the centre stand down so it won't move anywhere, will it?
Yes. If you don't, then you'll go and probably fall off.
That wouldn't be good.
No.
I wouldn't put you in that position.
So we're
Okay.
in the garage at the moment. It
Okay.
smells really nice when you turn it on. So, we're back with the exhausts. Here is the new one that we're going to have on. It's much smaller, as you can see. There's a big size difference. Then this is the old one. It's got lots of fingerprints on it too. So this is going to make a loud noise because it's going to make less silencing.
Yeah. Let's put it on C.
Yes!
Okay.
What noise afterwards?
I don't know. Okay, so the exhaust is fitted. Okay, so let's see what it sounds like.
So, we've fitted it
Mm-hmm.
and we are ready.
Looks good.
Didn't take that long.
Nope.
Just took a couple of things.
Might just need a few adjustments. Let's see how it sounds.
So, turn it on. Oh, sorry if I didn't say hi viewers, I don't remember. But if I didn't, hi viewers. And also, if you're wondering why the number plate is covered, we don't want you to know what our number plate is. That's the answer.
Okay.
So, clutch please when I've turned it on.
Okay.
Ready viewers?
It's not that noisy actually. Not as noisy as expected, but I haven't taken the baffle out.
So, there you go viewers. That is how you do a exhaust.
Cool.